Hello, my name is Agnieszka, jestem Zielona. I'm a course creator and business owner. In my business, I create do-it-yourself courses around ecology. When I first heard the term affiliation, I thought that it is only restricted to big businesses, to very highly influential people. But having been in Agnieszka's course about affiliation 2.0 course, I realized that affiliation is about money. Of course, it is about money because we as business owners, we need to earn money. But it's also about partnerships. It's about clients being our partners and about other business owners being our partners. So it's money and partnership. It's a totally different way of thinking. It's a totally different mindset that you have. Right now, affiliation for me means not only big launches, but also small campaigns that I can do with my society and with other friendly souls that I meet in my way. In this course, you will not only have great energy just flowing from Agnieszka, but also she will give you very practical and useful information about tools that you can use during affiliation. Not very fancy, expensive tools, but simple free tools. You will be asked a lot of questions that you will need to answer yourself. By answering those questions, you will dive deeper into your business and into your mindset, and you will notice that you can be a great affiliation partner, and also you can have affiliation partners. You can do it both ways. So if you are hesitating, if you don't know if you are big enough, if you are influential enough, I will tell you, just go and find out what is Agnieszka giving you in this course, and you will be amazed about this transformation that you will have. I highly, highly recommend it. Thank you.